Let's set up the page. And now let's write the text of the logo here. Now drag it and make it smaller in size. Now select some text and from here reduce the size. You can just use arrow key and reduce the size from here. And let's reduce the size of H and O a little bit. Now it is fine. Now rasterize the text. Now let's write the text for the tagline here. Again drag it down and make it smaller in size and bring it at the center. Now let's change the font of this. From here also we can reduce the size and increase the space. Now it is perfect. Now from the shape tool, take this rectangular tool and here draw a square and fill it with color. Now rotate it. Let's reduce the opacity so that we can see the back. And now place it here. And drag it down by pressing Shift key. Now place it at the perfect place. Now make duplicate of this, copy, paste in place, and change the color of the new object. Now by using arrow key, take it down. Now select both and go to layer and subtract it. Now draw one rectangle here, fill it with color. Now select both the shape and again do subtract. So we need to make duplicate. So to make duplicate, just drag it by pressing Alt key. We need to make one more duplicate. So by pressing Alt key, just drag it and change the color. Now drag the shape by pressing Shift key. Drag it a little bit downside. Now it seems perfect. Now select both the shape and again do the subtract. Now take rectangular tool and here draw a square by pressing Alt and Shift key and fill it with color. Now let's zoom in and take rectangular tool once again and draw a small rectangle here and fill this with color and align it perfectly at the center, both the objects. Now select this small rectangle and do copy paste and now rotate it by pressing Shift key. Now it is perfect. Now select two objects and do minus subtract. Similarly, select these two and subtract it. So we got the window shape. Now bring it at the center of the house. Now it is perfect. Now take rectangular tool and draw a rectangle here and fill with color. By taking rectangular tool, here also draw a shape and fill this with color. Drag it by pressing Alt key and make duplicate and place it here. Now drag the shape so that it can reach to the edge by pressing Shift key. And extend the shape of edge so that it can mix with this one. And now fix the shape perfectly. Just you need to do the drag and use the arrow key. Now drag it by pressing Shift key, and now it is fine. At the top also, by using Shift key, fix it. And here by taking anchor point tool, select the point. By using arrow key, just fix it. Select this anchor point tool and use right arrow key and fix it. Similarly, here also do the same. Now let's draw a small rectangle here and fill this with color. Take it at the center. Now draw another rectangle over it so that we can make a gap here and fill this with color. Now select this to shape, go to layer, and from here subtract it. Now let's change the color. So before changing the color, we need to rasterize it. And now individually pick the color and fill this with colors. So there are different layers, so every time you need to select the new layer shape and you need to put the color over this. Now let's change the tagline color. So our logo is ready now. Let's open the mockup file. If you don't have the mockup file, then check the description link. You will find the download link here and download this mockup file. Now double click at the top layer and here make it transparent. Now drag the logo over the mockup page and leave it here. Now drag it and place at the center. Now unmark this background, close the tab, click on yes, and let's wait for the result. Hope you like this tutorial. You can support our channel by doing like, share and subscribe. Thank you.